Hi and welcome. In this video, I'll be covering the fourth movement of the Shibashi 18 Qigong form. We've already covered movement 1, 2 and 3, and you can see them on this channel and the other videos. And there's also a demonstration of the Shibashi form in its entirety on the channel as well. So let's just have a quick recap. So we've done the first movement, which is raising the arms or raising the chi. So in that one, we were just starting from the preparation position, feet shoulder width apart, feet grabbing the floor, the toes grabbing the floor, making that contact with the floor. Knees are soft, as in they're not totally locked and straight, down, tipping the hips forward slightly to keep the spine straight. Concave feeling in the shoulders, taking any pressure off the heart and lungs. Chin tucked in, tongue touching the upper palate. Breathing through the nose if we can. If it's more comfortable to breathe through the mouth, just stick to your normal method of breathing until you get to the stage where you can breathe through the nose. And then moving up to the body is the crown. So we want to relax everything from the crown so that we feel like everything's being suspended from the crown. We don't want to be so, too relaxed. We want to be sort of relaxed but not soft, so if that makes any sense. But it's just a kind of a state of being which is suitable and builds naturally when you're practicing Qigong anyway. So the main thing is relax, okay? So we've done raising the arms or raising the chi, an easy move, just breathing in, raising the arms, raising the body, breathing in and breathing out this way. So inhale and exhale. Second movement, opening the chest, which we'll be breathing in. Longer breath this time, or move the hands fast there. And then exhale down. Breathing in and breathing out. And painting the rainbow, which was the third movement. Breathing in, breathing out, in and out. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Okay, so if you want to see them in any more detail, you can find them on this channel as well. But for now, the focus will be on separating the clouds. Great little move, very easy to do. It'll start from the same foundations as the other movements. So again, feet parallel, about shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, relaxing, rolling the pelvis forward slightly, just to keep that spine as straight as possible. It's not going to be totally straight because you've still got to be comfortable, but the idea is to keep the spine as straight as possible, allow the energy to flow freer up the spine and round, and then continue this microcosmic orbit thing, which we'll talk about somewhere in the future. Okay, so starting from the same position, we're ready to do move number 4, which is separating the clouds. Lovely little move. So we've exhaled as we've lowered the body down. Inhaling, bringing the arms up, out to the side. The palms then start to face down as we exhale and lower the body. So just coming round in a nice big arc. Inhale, exhale down. Inhaling, body rises up. Exhaling, body sinks. Breathing in. And breathing out. So we're breathing to the dantian area, so the belly, we want to inflate the belly as we inhale. And exhale. As we come down, inhale. And exhale. Following on from the last movement then, the attention will remain in the palm of the hands. As we inhale, exhaling down. Just eyes nice and relaxed, just sort of, again, staring off into the mid-distance, not too far, not down, because you want to keep your head up. As you practice, soften your focus. Breathing in. Breathing out. So real easy movement to put with the other movement, the other 3 movements, which are also very easy. So the focus is just to remain relaxed. We're not extending the arms out to be completely straight. You don't want to flex the tendons in the wrist or anything. It's not like some of the later movements, which will be using the tension in the muscles and the tendons. This one's just nice and relaxed and sinking down. Okay, so it's called separating clouds. It's not difficult to imagine why this might be. Imagine a cloudy sky, all your problems, your troubles, breathing in, separating the clouds, making way for nice blue skies. Or a nighttime sky, whatever way you prefer to think about it, clearing out so you can see the stars. So breathing in and breathing out, separating the clouds. So this helps build a positive mental attitude, raise your spirits a little bit. It's also good for breathing, strengthens the lungs. Breathing in and breathing out. Exercises the shoulder muscles, exercises the chest muscles. Good for the kidneys with the raising and the lowering. This movement. So it's got tons of benefits, a really simple one to learn. So if you can put that with the other 4 movements, you can start to build across until we get to that 18 form. It seems like a lot to remember, but again, just with practice, Qigong and Tai Chi, it's just about practice, practice, practice. The more you put in, the more you get out. And the more of these movements you can practice so much that they go into your subconscious, so you're not thinking about them. So when you do the movements, your breathing's right, your posture's right, the pace is right. The more you practice, the more you can pass this over to your subconscious. What does that do? That takes over the movement, so you don't have to worry about, oh, am I doing this right? Am I doing that? Your body will take care of that. And you can then just forget and let go, and then go into a meditative state where you're not particularly thinking about anything. When your practice becomes fluent, you can say, do the Qigong 18, take, 4 or 5 minutes to complete. And sometimes you can practice and completely forget where you are, and you get to the end of the move, and then you suddenly kind of snap back into consciousness, and it's like you've had a holiday for a few minutes, you're refreshed, your mind's clear. So there, some of the benefits. There's tons of benefits by the time you build this form up, and there are many, many other forms that I'd like to share with you, and we can explore these together as we go. So don't forget, there's some other videos that I've put on previously, the 3 other movements, the Shibashi in its entirety, and also there's a Chen Style 8 form, which you could take a look at. That's something we'll be covering again in the near future. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you think this is helpful, please like, share, subscribe, comment if you've got any comments. What started this was this sort of lockdown situation that we were in, and the fact that the COVID-19 is very much a health issue, particularly with breathing. I'm an asthma sufferer, and this stuff for me, even before the COVID thing, has been really helpful for controlling asthma and other symptoms that you might have. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you stick with it and keep practicing. Look after yourself and each other, and thanks again. I'll see you in the next episode. Take care.